In a remarkable turn of events, the James Webb Space Telescope has made a discovery that is sending shockwaves through the scientific community. Just weeks ago, the telescope revealed the earliest known galaxy in the universe, but it has now detected something even more extraordinary: a supermassive black hole accelerating away from its host galaxy at an astonishing velocity of 4 million miles per hour. This latest find is of tremendous significance and has sparked a great deal of discussion among both astronomers and space enthusiasts, raising numerous questions about its implications for our broader understanding of the cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope was launched with the primary goal of exploring the very first galaxies that emerged in the universe. In addition, it has captured breathtaking images of star and galaxy deaths dating back only a few hundred million years after the Big Bang. We invite you to join us as we delve deeper into the latest findings of this groundbreaking telescope. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content on these discoveries. This new revelation challenges long-held scientific ideas regarding black holes. Traditionally, black holes are believed to be enormous gravitational entities that suck in everything around them, even light. However, the newly observed black hole seems to behave in an entirely opposite way. Instead of consuming light and matter, it appears to be generating new, young stars along a long stretch of space. This trail of newly formed stars has been spotted trailing behind the black hole, extending an astonishing 200,000 light-years away. Researchers are puzzled by this unusual behavior, as it diverges significantly from what we have observed in other black holes. A team of scientists led by astrophysics professor Peter B. recently published their findings in the astrophysical journal Letters, with NASA's Hubble Space Telescope also confirming these observations. The data suggests that the black hole is stimulating new star formation as it interacts with surrounding gas, cooling it and allowing new stars to be born in its wake. But that is not the only exciting discovery NASA has recently made. The James Webb Space Telescope also captured an incredible galactic merger, one that provides an unparalleled view of the intricate dynamics between colliding galaxies. This merger, cataloged as ARP-220, is among the brightest and most intense galactic collisions ever observed, and it shines particularly brightly in the infrared spectrum, making it an ideal target for Webb's infrared observations. ARP-220, located in the constellation Serpens about 250 million light-years away, is the brightest of the three closest galactic mergers to Earth. It is known for its ultraluminous infrared emissions, outshining even our Milky Way galaxy by a factor of 1 trillion. Approximately 700 million years ago, two spiral galaxies collided, triggering an intense burst of star formation. This created a compact, dense region that spans about 5,000 light-years and contains an extraordinary number of large star clusters, around 200 in total. Remarkably, this small region contains as much gas as the entire Milky Way galaxy. Previous radio telescope observations discovered roughly 100 remnants of supernovae scattered across less than 500 light-years. However, the latest findings from the James Webb Space Telescope show that the two parent galaxies are located 1,200 light-years apart. Each galaxy's core contains a rotating ring of star formation that emits significant infrared light, marking an exciting new chapter in our understanding of galactic collisions. Additionally, the most recent images from Webb show the striking effects of tidal forces between the colliding galaxies. The extended tidal tails visible in the images illustrate how the gravitational pull between the two galaxies has distorted their shapes. Furthermore, the reddish and orange streams represent scattered materials in the aftermath of the collision, giving scientists a better understanding of the violent processes at work during such galactic mergers. Another groundbreaking discovery from the James Webb Space Telescope came when researchers identified primordial galaxies located at the very edge of the observable universe. Initially, some skeptics questioned whether these galaxies were truly ancient or if they were just nearby galaxies that had been misidentified. To clarify, the data was shared with researchers across the globe, leading to the eventual confirmation that these galaxies are, in fact, among the oldest ever seen. The discovery is an incredible milestone for astronomy, as it allows us to observe galaxies that formed just a few hundred million years after the Big Bang. Scientists estimate that the light from these galaxies has traveled over 13.5 billion years to reach Earth, offering us a glimpse into the universe's distant past. The identification of these primordial galaxies sheds light on the rapid emergence of early galaxies and challenges our understanding of how quickly the first galaxies began to form after the Big Bang. Spectral data obtained by the James Webb Space Telescope confirmed that these galaxies lie at the very edge of the universe's observable limits, with some being so far away that even Hubble's capabilities could not reach them. This discovery is crucial, as it validates one of the primary objectives of the James Webb Space Telescope: to study the early universe by observing light that has traveled vast distances, more than 13.5 billion years. The ability of the James Webb Space Telescope to detect extreme redshifts allows it to peer into the infrared spectrum, providing an unprecedented view of the universe's earliest galaxies. This breakthrough has had a profound impact on our understanding of the universe's evolution and has given rise to new questions about the formation of galaxies in the early cosmos. As astronomers continue to analyze the data, it is clear that this discovery marks a pivotal moment in our exploration of the universe's deepest mysteries. However, this discovery has raised significant questions and concerns in the scientific community. The data obtained from the James Webb Space Telescope spectrometer and near-infrared camera indicates that several of these ancient galaxies exhibit extreme redshifts, which suggests that they existed as early as 300 to 500 million years after the Big Bang. These galaxies appear to have formed without the presence of heavy elements like carbon, which contradicts current theories about galaxy formation. This has prompted scientists to reconsider their understanding of the universe's early stages, as this evidence suggests that galaxies may have developed much earlier than previously thought. This revelation has had a profound impact on the scientific community, as it challenges existing cosmological models, including the theory of cosmic inflation and the Big Bang theory itself. While the Big Bang theory has long been considered the most widely accepted explanation for the universe's origins, there are several gaps in the theory, including the lack of a clear explanation for the event's cause and its alignment with the laws of thermodynamics. Additionally, the discovery of galaxies that appear to have formed so soon after the Big Bang forces us to rethink our understanding of the timeline of cosmic evolution. The James Webb Space Telescope's findings are forcing astronomers to reevaluate everything they thought they knew about the early universe. According to renowned theoretical physicist Michio Kaku, the discovery of such ancient and massive galaxies raises questions about the creation of the universe itself. While these galaxies were once thought to be far less developed than the Milky Way, Webb's observations suggest that these early galaxies were far more mature than expected. In fact, some of these galaxies are up to 10 times larger than the Milky Way, which challenges the prevailing understanding that it takes billions of years for a galaxy to grow to such a size. Kaku believes this discovery could be a game-changer, forcing scientists to rewrite their understanding of the universe's origins and cosmic history. The revelations from the James Webb Space Telescope are rewriting the textbooks on the Big Bang and the early universe. These findings suggest that our current theories about cosmic evolution may need to be revised, and new models may emerge that better explain the formation of galaxies and the universe's beginnings. As NASA continues to explore these discoveries, they are now looking ahead to even more powerful telescopes that could further refine our understanding of the cosmos. Among the other recent discoveries made by Webb, NASA has also released intriguing data about a galaxy cluster that was formed just 650 million years after the Big Bang. This cluster, which is expected to continue growing in size, provides more insight into the accelerating pace of galactic evolution that Webb is allowing us to observe. Researchers are now able to measure the velocities of the galaxies in this cluster, which has led them to conclude that these galaxies are bound together in what is known as a protocluster. To put this into perspective, scientists have likened these distant galaxies to small drops of water that will eventually merge to form a powerful river. This analogy helps to convey the idea that what we are witnessing is only the beginning of a much larger and more complex process. As we gather more data from the James Webb Space Telescope, we may gain further insight into the formation and evolution of galaxy clusters. Ultimately, these discoveries have left scientists with more questions than answers, and they may signal the need for a fundamental shift in our understanding of the cosmos. While we may not yet have all the answers, it is clear that the James Webb Space Telescope is revolutionizing our exploration of the universe. What do you think about these groundbreaking discoveries? Share your thoughts in the comments, and join us again for more exciting updates in future videos. As the James Webb Space Telescope continues its mission, We are on the verge of uncovering even more of the universe's deep mysteries. The incredible advancements in technology that Webb represents allow scientists to peer further back in time than ever before, opening up possibilities that were once thought to be beyond our reach. These discoveries are reshaping the landscape of astrophysics and cosmology, challenging us to reconsider everything we thought we knew about the formation and evolution of galaxies, stars, and the universe itself. In particular, the telescope's ability to observe the universe in the infrared spectrum has proven to be a game-changer. By studying light that has traveled billions of years to reach us, Webb can provide unprecedented insights into the early stages of cosmic history. This ability to detect faint signals from ancient galaxies offers a glimpse into an era of the universe that had previously been out of reach, one that is crucial for understanding how the universe came to be the way it is today. One of the most fascinating aspects of these new discoveries is the realization that galaxies began forming far earlier than scientists had initially thought. The identification of large, fully formed galaxies that existed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang upends previous theories about the speed at which galaxies develop. These observations suggest that the processes of galaxy formation were far more rapid and efficient than we ever imagined, raising questions about the conditions that made such swift growth possible. Additionally, the detection of galaxies that seem to lack the heavy elements typically found in older galaxies is an exciting puzzle. This finding forces researchers to reconsider the role of these elements in galaxy formation and whether there might have been alternative pathways for the creation of galaxies in the early universe. As Webb continues to provide more data, we will likely learn more about how these elements came to exist and how they influenced the formation of the first galaxies. Scientists are also eagerly awaiting further data from the Webb telescope to determine whether other theories about the origins of the universe, such as the concept of cosmic inflation, hold true. The discovery of galaxies that appear to have formed so quickly after the Big Bang raises questions about the validity of certain assumptions that underpinned the theory of inflation. If these ancient galaxies can form much earlier than expected, this might suggest that our current models of cosmic inflation need to be revised, which could have profound implications for how we understand the universe's birth and early development. Moreover, the potential for Webb to unlock the secrets of dark matter and dark energy, two of the greatest mysteries in physics, is another exciting frontier. While these elusive substances have yet to be directly detected, the way galaxies interact with each other and with invisible forces could offer clues about their existence and behavior. By studying the formation and movement of galaxies at such great distances, Webb may provide crucial information that will bring us closer to solving these cosmic puzzles. In addition to these groundbreaking scientific discoveries, the James Webb Space Telescope is also inspiring a new generation of astronomers, physicists, and space enthusiasts. The incredible images and data being sent back from Webb are not only changing the way we view the universe but also reigniting public interest in space exploration. The excitement surrounding Webb's findings reminds us of the profound sense of curiosity and wonder that has always driven human exploration of the cosmos. As we continue to expand our understanding of the universe through these discoveries, one thing is clear: we are only scratching the surface. The James Webb Space Telescope is unlocking the deepest secrets of the cosmos, and as it continues its mission, we can expect even more astonishing revelations. Who knows what new questions it will raise or what new theories it will challenge? What we do know is that the future of space exploration has never been more exciting.